It's Animal Kingdom Day.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
So, good morning. It is currently 20 to 7 in the morning. I've just come off a work meeting and Leanne is doing her exam right now. So I have all the confidence in the world in her passing that. So hopefully she passes that and comes to Animal Kingdom with us and has a great day. So I'm about to go get some breakfast and then be on my way to Animal Kingdom to meet Dan and David to do the safari. So I've just remembered I may have said day 12. I think it's day 13 actually. I don't have enough fingers for that. So I've just had a chocolate croissant from the Roaring Fork. I know I'm going for breakfast with the WDWAO team this morning, but got rather peckish after being up at 5, so having one of them before I get the bus to Animal Kingdom. It currently is 7 AM, so I don't know if the buses are even running, so I'm going to go find out. If not, I'm going to go for a little wander around the resort, so you can come with me with that. So I'm just at Animal Kingdom now, and I've just got a Starbucks. I was under the impression everyone would have been here for 7:30, but it looks like Dan's on his way in, Taylor's on her way in, Ken, I think it's Ken, I don't know his name, don't know him, he's already here, but I guess I'll meet him at breakfast. So I'm just going to wait around Starbucks, wait for Dan to get here, and then ride the safari with him, and then we're off to breakfast. So I'll update you in a bit.
Strange animal. Up until about 100 years ago, the okapi was thought to be a myth everywhere outside of their native habitats, in part due to their strange appearance, but also the fact that they were rarely seen in the wild. The first verified photograph of an okapi was not taken until 1900. Fully seated, please, at only about 3,000 pounds. I do say only, that's on the small side for a rhino, though they certainly make it work. One of their more distinctive features is going to be male greater kudu have great big horns that extend off the sides of their heads by about 6 feet. Makes forest travel difficult. So it's rare to find. That is an entire bloat of hippos, or gathering of hippos. Now, believe it or not, these hippos, they are technically classified as land mammals, but they spend a mature about 16 to 18 feet long, over 500 pounds when fully grown. They're one of the largest of the freshwater crocodile spot patterns. In this case, you're going to notice that the spots are kind of rough and jagged. The edges don't quite line up perfectly. It's going to be our easiest indicator that what we will see today are the Maasai giraffes. But more on that later on as success rate.
I can't say
they'll go out together as a pack and quite literally chase their prey down to exit. These Ankole cattle, also known as Watusi cattle for the Watusi people who first domesticated them, are one of only 2 domesticated animals that make their home here on the reserve. While they may be livestock, the Ankole cows. Now, in some of their native areas in Africa, you will actually see a symbiotic relationship, but they're going to be the Heartland mountain zebras. From this distance, the easiest way to identify them by those extra wide elephant all alone, it's always going to be a fair assumption to make that it will be a male elephant. Now, elephants, they do leave the rest of elephants and the bees project. We developed beehive boxes to install along the fence lines of farmers' fields. Creates a safe and effective barrier to keep the elephants out in a way that does not harm. Have gray feathers around their heads and their necks. Those would be amongst the youngest of the flock. That's because flamingos are not born. The white rhino is the larger of the 2 rhino species that we've now seen on the reserve at around 4,000 to 5,000 pounds when fully grown. And they're quite a social species of rhino as well. So they're not white, they are gray. The name white rhino, it comes from, of all things, a mistranslation. Now, it's specifically of the Afrikaans word veit, fastest land mammal in the world, those cheetahs. She just can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, and that's not even just their top speed, that's their acceleration. Cheetahs have been tracked moving faster than 70 miles per hour. View of those white rhinos from before. Now this view that we have of the lions, quite typical, honestly. Lions will rest and relax for about 16 to 20 hours of each and every day, not because they're lazy, but at night it is 6 times stronger. That's when they're at their most active. When they do go out at night, it's actually... I do want to mention how special it is that we have gotten to see so many rhinos today. They are an endangered animal. This is not due to any natural causes. In fact, rhinos have...
Dan just called you a wet lettuce.
No, I didn't. I called her a giraffe. She knows that. How did you sleep?
Hello. I was told that story.
It's recording. How did it go?
It's alright, I think. Yeah.
Messed up the intro. Called it the wrong day. And I called Walt again. It's off to a great start.
It's going well. I've got the tonga toast with a side of bacon, a backup of breakfast potatoes. What have you got, Dale?
Breakfast of bandits.
Yes. So, heading into Pandora, do flight passage.
Pandora's box. Otters.
What?
Simba.
Shimba. How was breakfast, Dale?
Good.
What did you have?
I had the breakfast of bandits, I think it was called.
Would you have it again?
Yeah.
What was on it?
Scrambled egg, breakfast potatoes, toast and sausage.
I had tonga toast, so it's cinnamon French toast. We got some breakfast potatoes too. They was good. Enjoyed the breakfast potatoes. So then we go to Pandora.
To help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. All done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. Dr. Ogden is the foremost expert on studying the EPCOT and has spent years researching them. Unfortunately, banshees live high in rookeries and humans can't get anywhere near them without becoming their lunch. But the Na'vi and avatars can. Okay, to get you flying on a banshee, we need to find each of you an avatar. Let's prep the genetic sampling.
I'm on it.
Okay,
You're a man.
I'm not a man.
You're 6.
Your match,
I'm a man.
you've all been matched with avatars. Looks like they're waiting for you in the next room. When the door opens, please go inside, all the way in.
See, look, I'm 9 upside down.
Yeah, there you go.
Number 9.
No,
No,
you're,
Dave. You're 8.
I'm 8.
are you drunk?
Sorry.
Beside me, what do you think?
I don't know, I was just getting confused. Because you were behind me before, so it's confusing.
I think I look beautiful.
Great, you've all made it.
It'll feel like you're really there. Moments later, you'll begin your flight. A Na'vi guide will lead you out. You'll experience the breathtaking beauty of Pandora, but you might also face some of its greatest challenges. Some of this flight might be intense, but trust your guide and be brave.
Someone's a bit queasy after flight of passage.
Yeah, makes me feel sick. I'm going to see that Tonga toast again.
Tonga toast 2.0.
Yeah, I can do it like once and then that's about it. It's the it's a bit much for me.
Do you like the ride?
It's a good ride. I wouldn't queue 110 minutes for it. Just get to the point. Like, don't need to go around the houses on the way.
These two adventurers are on a rare bird search.
Kevin!
Keep a lookout for a
Hi, Russell!
13-foot bird that answers to
Hi,
the name
Doc!
Kevin. Reports say she's been seen nearby.
Kevin's a sheep.
Yeah, Kevin's a sheep.
You know that.
Kevin!
Where is Kevin?
She was walking around the other day. Taylor ate her for breakfast with her waffles.
What? So?
Because everyone's like, oh, why are you going back to Florida? I'm like,
Why not?
yeah. Theme parks.
Yeah, well, just even if you like hiking or trails, or you can find from anywhere from beaches to farms.
Buy a birthday cake from a supermarket,
Yeah.
and your parents would put party bags.
Great hair.
Walt Disney World adult film. I love
How was it? Interpretive dance, Valley River Rapids.
Okay, well, this message is actually let's go.
This is London's favorite.
Right. Just record.
I'm scared.
Recording the last known moments of everyone as they're bone dry.
It's the pants. I can't deal with the wet pants.
Especially when you're wearing denim. Right. Nice knowing you, you dry people.
Start on this side and then walk
Oh no.
About that mountain.
We might be okay.
There's dial up on the bridge, Leanne.
He's not near a thing, is he?
They're all there. Look at him.
Niagara Falls.
Oh no.
Got that mind down perfect, I think, huh?
Press it. Keep pressing it. They're here. Oh.
Oh wow, hi. Finder, it's so great to see you. Look at all these beautiful flowers you brought with you. Oh my goodness, do they have beautiful flowers like this where you're from?
Definitely not.
No. Well, you bring them with you wherever you go. We have lots of flowers all over Motunui, except my friend Pua always ends up picking them all. He loves them a lot. That's why I named him Pua, because where I'm from, Pua means flower. Oh, Sky Voyagers! Hi, Sky Voyagers! Let's see how many waves we can see back from the ocean. Oh, this is nothing like the ocean. Not a single wave.
We just skipped some.
Oh, she's going to be made up with this. Sorry. Thank you.
Welcome to our summer home.
Thank you.
Speaking of summer, I love your summer outfit you have on.
Thank you.
Olaf would really appreciate it as well, you know. He loves summer and sun and all things hot. Does that happen to be your favorite season as well?
I do prefer being warm.
You do like the summer sun?
Yeah.
You'll have to join him sometime at the beach then. After all, he could always use a few extra hands to build sandcastles with. His are twigs, so the sand falls right through. It's pretty catastrophic if you're trying to build a replica of my ice palace like he is right now. I was thinking maybe I could help him out next time and freeze all the sand together. That way the beach won't wash it away.
Yeah.
Well, shall we smile for a portrait together too?
Yeah. Thank you.
You look very beautiful today.
Thank you. So do you.
Oh, thank you. I especially love your sunshades.
Thank you.
Is it very sunny outside first?
Very.
Yeah, Olaf loves sunny days. I'm guessing you already knew that though. But he loves sunshades. Any way to just kick back, relax, let off a few coals, and just stare at the sun without anything happening. No repercussions. But he wants to find sunshades in every color of the rainbow. He hasn't found a pair of yellow sunshades, mainly because he's concerned if yellow would look good on him. But what do you think?
No, I don't think they would.
You don't think so?
No.
Oh,
The
well-
yellow and the orange might clash.
Oh, he wasn't even thinking of it like that. Okay, well, maybe he can have just every other color of the rainbow
Yeah.
instead. I like that idea too. Well, if you even find some rainbow sunshades, I know he'll really like that, because then it has every color. One less thing to worry about.
Exactly.
But would you like to celebrate today at least with a nice picture?
Yeah.
Of course. Let's look right over here first. And let's do...
So, I got the Spam Sushi from the Hawaii booth. It's rice, spam, eel sauce, spicy mayonnaise. Yeah. I don't like that. This is alright. Okay, so it kind of tastes like a weird ham sandwich that's had salad cream on it and been left in a warm car.
Very descriptive.
Yeah. Anyway, let's move on. I think I'm good with it. Do you want to try?
No.
I got the cheddar cheese and bacon soup. So, last year, and I will link it down below, I ate in Le Cellier, and they had this soup, although it seemed stronger there. Let's try it with the pretzel roll. Pretzel roll seems a bit hard. I don't know whether it's because it's been sat under the lamp, but the bread does seem a little stale.
So have you completely around the world in the past 3 times we've been here? I think the only thing I don't see you get anything from was Kenya.
Yeah, I didn't do Kenya. Not done Kenya or Australia.
So that's not too bad. Out of 32?
I don't think we've done 32.
But out of 32.
Is that record? We haven't done America.
Ah, good. We don't like them.
So, filet mignon with
mashed potatoes and some onions.
Mushroom. Which I will leave the mushroom because we all know I don't like it. But let's.
We've sort of got our feeding frenzy next to us as well.
Oh my god. The birds. Well, it's
cooked.
Definitely cooked.
There we go. But yeah, it's a bit chewy for my liking. Bit overdone. But you can't appease everyone, can you?
No. For $9. Yeah, it's alright. If you want, like the potatoes were a bit dry, you are better off going into Le Cellier, but for just a quick, if you're eating around the world, it's not too bad. So we are outside of Moana Journey, the Journey of Water?
I don't see the name, I don't know.
Way of the Water. Journey of Water inspired by Moana, the soft opening. So we are boarding group 170. It's currently 153 to 169, so we're hopefully going to get called in a minute.
Done.
Oh, we're called, we're going in, let's go. So as we was walking up, this has happened.
Okay, let me try scanning your magic band. There we go. Get yours as well. You guys are all set.
Thank you.
Yeah.
you want to take the dry path and I'll do the wet one, and you can... Yeah, do you want to go that way and I'll go that way? Or are we both going both ways?
I mean, just a little bit.
Dale. Just a wet floor. Got wet. Can you do both?
What?
On the other side of me walking through.
I think I got it on both, I think. I don't know. Definitely got it on your phone.
Can I do a video? You want a picture?
Do you want one?
You don't know. Those people are getting soaked. 1 gallon of water. The water's bouncing above I just got shot with water again.
Todd, he does not enjoy being on camera.
Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm glowing. I'm on. Dan, what have I got? I've got a mojito. The Havana Twist Mojito with white rum, mint, raspberry, blackberry and lime. That's what I'm having. Thank you.
It's just a Coors Light. Oh, okay. Have you had a Coors Light before?
It is. It shooks you.
Try it. You want to try some American Bear? It's got lime in it because I put it in there. That makes it better.
That's your culinary course coming to life right there.
2 more of these, I'll be set.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're going to go to Hollywood Studios.
So Dale has the buffalo chicken tenders, and I have a massive plate of nachos. What have you got?
Barbecue smash burger.
Okay, barbecue smash burger, and I have brisket, some ribs, a yard bird, some steak, a dance camera. What have you got?
The blackened chicken pasta.
Blackened chicken pasta, that's hard to say. And pulled pork and a... So, we ate at House of Blues last night. What did you think?
It was nice.
It was nice. The brisket was nice. The nachos, do not order them for one person. They are massive. We was there with Dan, David, Courtney, Todd, Walter and Ashley. We had a right good laugh, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
It was so funny. Really enjoyed ourselves. And then we had to say our goodbyes because we were leaving. It was our last full day. So we headed back, had our last night sleep in Wilderness Lodge. We was tired by the time we got home. We waited so long for a bus. So long.
Yeah.
The queue was huge. So, what else did we do yesterday? Oh yeah. We started the day off in Animal Kingdom with everyone, and there was a soft opening for Moana, so we headed over to EPCOT to do that before we left. So, you'll see it all here anyway. So thanks for watching this video.
If you liked it, give it a thumbs up.
Let us know in the comments down below what you like best.
Don't forget to hit the subscribe bell and the notification bell.
And remember to share it with your friends.
And remember,
never grow up.
Bye.